Hello beautiful souls, welcome to my channel Mystical Ani. So if you are feeling stuck in a relationship and you're not in contact with a person, this is a reading for you. It can be you are in a situationship, you are in a relationship, or anything basically where you're not in touch with a person and the person thoughts are somewhere haunting you or constantly popping up in your head. Okay, so this is a general reading, Gemini, so please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. Alright, so let's see what does this person, what is the current energy in this connection. We'll see that first. What is the current energy in this connection with Gemini, the person they are not in contact with? Current energy for Gemini, the person they are not in contact with. Current energy of this connection. All right, I think here in this connection ego is in between. You or your person both are like, I do not want to take the initiative. Why should I make the first move? Why should I be the first one to reach out? I do not want, whatever I have done is right at my end, and the person on the other end is also having the same feeling that whatever happened or whatever you did, whatever they did, you both have kind of this thing that I am right in my own place. I was right in the action I did. I was right. I did not do anything wrong here. And so I am good with what I have done and I do not want to take any initiative here basically. So there's nobody, either you or the person, looking for kind of moving ahead basically as of now. Let's see first what the other cards have. Okay, what does the person think about you basically? What does the person think about you, Gemini? The person you are not in contact with, what are the person thoughts about you, Gemini, here? What does this person think about you? Okay, so the person thinks like they have done all the work required in the connection and now they have not seen enough efforts from your end and they are now in a waiting energy. They were like, I have given everything required in this connection, but I did not see an equal effort from Gemini, so now I just want to hang on and see where it goes basically. They know that somewhere, they know that you are available, you are kind of good with them, but they are still waiting on. They feel for you is that definitely they want to have a reunion with you, they want to have a family with you, they want to get in touch with you again and get in the same happy bond you both would have once shared, and they definitely look for that forward. All right, uh, why have they gone silent then? Why are they not reaching out? Why have they gone silent here? Why have they gone silent here? Whoa. Hold on. Why this person has gone silent? Okay, they are trying to create a balance between what you said, what they said, whatever happened between you both. Was it even the right thing or not? They are trying to think logically and practically and emotionally. In all the ways they are trying to analyze the situation and trying to see if this connection will ever go long way or not. So they are basically trying to figure out where this connection will go between you both, seeing how the things have been till now. Okay, so they are just trying to analyze and see if there is a chance where you both can come forward. Maybe at the same time they are also looking for other options if they have any. For some of you, maybe very few of you, they are kind of stuck between work and focusing on their personal life and work life. But I can also sense it very strongly that there are chances that this person might at the same time looking for another options. Okay, instead of putting everything, all the energy in this connection, they might also be having this opportunity to explore something more. They may also be need not be talking to anybody else, but definitely looking for some other options. Maybe through social media, or in their workplace, or maybe, but they are definitely looking for some other options, if there are any. All right, let's see what is blocking this connection. What is blocking this connection? All right, being in this mindset that nothing is in your hand. You both are in this mindset that I cannot do anything, whatever was required to be done is already done, and now you both are in like, I am tired, my hands are tired, I have done everything I could, now I cannot do anything, nothing is in my hand, and being in a victim mindset basically. So you have to come out of this victim mindset that, oh, poor me. You have to come out of this mindset of being poor me, and take the action, take the initiative for what you want. Okay, let's see what is the next move this person might have or might take towards you, if any, in the next 10 to 15 days. What is the next move the person may take towards you, if any? What is the next move the person might take towards Gemini? Yeah, I think for some of you, they have left everything to the universe. Like, whatever, if it is meant to happen, it will happen. If not, it's okay. And for some of you, you need to listen to your intuition. Okay, what your intuition is saying. Do you feel like you should go ahead in this connection or not? If yes, then listen to your intuition, surrender to the universe, take a leap of faith and go for it. For it may be a new beginning also for some of you. As I say, there are chances, as I said, there are chances that this person might also be looking for some other options, and they might start focusing on a new connection instead of going again in this old thing. For some of you, this person might have left everything to the universe, that it's like, let the universe decide, I do not want to take any action here, let the universe decide. Now whether they listen to their intuition or not, it's up to them. All right, so they have to listen to their intuition. If they feel good about this connection, they will definitely come back to you. Otherwise, for some of you, it's very clear that they are open to the new connections in their life. They are basically focusing on a new beginning instead of going into the same drama. As I said, they need to listen to your intuition, and the same advice is for you. You need to listen to your intuition. So you might, for some of you, very few of you, you might get to know the truth about this connection, of whether they are reaching out to somebody or not. As I said, the bottom of the deck is 3 of Pentacles. So they may be speaking to somebody in their workplace. There are very high chances that they might be having a new connection in their workplace, and you will get to know about it if it is there. If not, either way you will get to know about it. Listen to your intuition at the same time. What does your intuition say, Gemini? You need to stay back in this connection, or we should move ahead. So connect with your intuition. Okay, don't let the emotions overpower you. But sometimes when you're too much emotionally, when you're dealing with so many emotions, it's like you get so many intuitive messages which are for your highest good, for bringing the clarity in your life. So just focus on that and focus towards your emotional stability. Don't let this thing get heavy on you at an emotional level. Okay, that will be very, there are also chances that if you are being overthinking a lot about all this, it might create sleepless night and so much of emotional disturbance, which is not good, right? So just try to balance your emotions, and try to, if you are struggling on how you can create a balance, just do some journaling, write down whatever is running in your mind. As soon as you started having hundreds and thousands of thoughts running all together about this connection, just take a pen and paper and start writing whatever is coming in your mind. And see, as you will start writing, you will get so much of clarity on what is that you want and what is that needs healing. Okay, so just do that and you will know what your intuition is saying to you. Okay, so that's the reading, guys. If you have liked it, please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.